Alright guys, so as you can see by the title of the video, unfortunately I did have my front bumper crack. Pretty severely too, but it's a good thing I know how to fix it. Whether it's the right way, whether it's the wrong way, as long as it works, right? I'm going to show you guys 3 different ways. So the first and obvious way would be just to replace the whole bumper with a new one, repaint it, and then I wouldn't have any damage. But that's not going to work for me today. Whoops. Another great way to fix it would be to use some Bondo here. Do have the blue mixing paste, but that's also not going to work for me. You know what? You know what's going to work just fine though? I'll show you. Let me show you guys. Right here. Every car guy's best friend. Zip ties. Who would have known? Who would have thought? I gotta get drill bit. And that's it. See, it's just that easy. And it'll be done in like 5 minutes. Bike parts drill. Yeah, this will work. Let's do it. So we are gonna dig through here to try and find green zip ties. I mean, there's a bunch, but I just gotta dig. And yeah, basically, we're just gonna drill 6 holes, 3 on this side, 3 on that side. Actually 8, 1 here and 1 there, just to support this a little bit. And then we're gonna zip tie it from the back, and we'll be all set. Obviously, I jacked up the car to make it a lot more accessible, but yeah. You want to make sure you get all the zip ties in before you really start to tighten them down, because that'll get you a little bit closer to like perfect fit, or so much perfect as you can get. This does get harder as your hands get colder. It's like negative like 5. No, I'm just kidding. It's like 30 degrees out and my fingers are freezing. Absolutely freezing. Oh my god. Oh, I got rust in my eyes. Anyone that has a old car knows what that's like. My hands are nice and freezing cold. Anyone that works in the cold weather knows what that's like. But I mean, the most important thing is my bumper's back. All we need to do is get a green marker and a lot of super glue and tighten it up a little bit more once I actually get the car like up in a shop or whatever. And yeah, then I'll be all set. Get some JB weld while I've got it up somewhere, and I'll be all set. I'm ready to go. So yeah, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, do all that, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.